What's up, guys? My name is Tucker Scott and I'm a professional filmmaker and photographer based out of Salt Lake City, Utah. And in today's video, we're talking about the iPhone 17 Pro Max. I went with the big dog because I am a big dog and I got big hands. But I'm going to be talking to you guys about why I like this phone, some of the features that I like about the phone, as well as why I personally got the phone. There's already a ton of videos out there talking about the different, features and technological advances and blah, 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 blah. So you could go to another video on that, but I'm going to be giving you guys my reasoning and just the real world experiences with the iPhone and why I use it. So let's dive into this thing. I personally love the new design of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. It's got some, a little bit of a ledge, which I'm not too much of a fan of. And then I don't know why they couldn't just make this whole thing silver. It's kind of like a gloss white. Anyways, not that big of a deal. You have your buttons on the side here, as well as your power button and your action button down here. It's obviously USB-C still, but I love the way this phone feels. It just feels like a phone that is built with good quality. So I really like this phone. But let's dive into why I chose this phone. The reason I chose this phone is because I'm just part of an iPhone upgrade program where I get a new phone every year. That way I can make videos like this showing you guys why the new phone's cool or not cool. But at the same time, I love the fact that there's 3 cameras on the back of this. Each one of them is 48 megapixels. So if I don't have my camera on me and I'm just running around with my wife or my friends and I pull out my phone, and I can still get some good information from the camera and edit some pretty dope photos. I have a lot of friends that do cool stuff, and so always having your phone on you and filming them is a plus. Also, I know that ProRes has been around on the iPhones forever, but now they got ProRes RAW. And I've seen some cool videos from a couple buddies that I follow, well, Instagram people that I follow, like Jordan Poblano. I'm butchering it. But anyways, he's done some cool videos on this. I know there's some new square sensor on the front camera, so you can always get the selfie that you need. There's no having your friend with your super long arm take the selfie, because now you can fit everybody in it. I heard the 8X feature on this is rad on the back with the zoom. Haven't really tested these out yet. That's going to be in another video where I go mountain biking with a buddy of mine and I film him ripping, testing out all the different settings, the raw photos, etc. But overall, I'm super stoked on this phone. I think it looks great. I think just the overall quality of this phone is rad. And like I said, this is kind of my second unboxing, if you would say, because I unboxed it at the Apple Store, but there was no way I was filming in the Apple Store. It was too loud. I had to call Verizon to figure out my carrier information, yada, yada, yada. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm super stoked to use this thing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I cannot wait for the next video where I put this phone to the test. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you liked the video, leave a comment, leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Later.